Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at some Air Jordan 6 retros in the Georgetown colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below and hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. So just before we get started, I have to just say thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to the channel. We have officially hit 50K, which is such an unbelievable marker, and I couldn't have done it without each and every single one of you. Thank you to the day one supporters. Thank you to the new supporters. As you know, there are very few females in this niche, so this truly means the world to me, and I hope that I can inspire other women to pick up their cameras and start this long form journey of creating a sneaker channel. I think that there's so much room for each and every one of us to be a part of this community, and I'm just so appreciative of each and every one of you who've been my ride or dies throughout the growth of this channel. It truly means the world. And on to 100K we go. We're going to be doing a 50K giveaway. I'm excited to just reward all of you who have been subscribed to the channel, and it's going to be some Supreme pieces mixed in with some Yeezy slides. So excited to be able to hand those out to some lucky winners. So stay tuned to when that video happens. But today we're going to be talking about some Air Jordan 6s in the Georgetown colorway. We'll go through the overview, jump into size and fit on these, followed by how I styled this nice, cool, classic colorway. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So as you know, this is just a beautiful all over Georgetown colorway, just like the school. So as far as the majority of the materials used on this specific silhouette, it is suede. So we've got that beautiful construction, which features the school's signature gray all over. On the front of the toe box, we've got more of that just smooth gray suede. As we work our way up the tongue, we've got some more gray, and then we've got more of a metallic-y gray color scheme here that gives off more of a silver effect, and that nice just navy on the Jumpman logo. We've got more college navy on the pull toggle here for the lace lock system, and then we've got gray for the Jordan on the top of the tongue here. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we do have just more of that beautiful gray color scheme that works its way to the back of the heel. We've got that college navy where the Jumpman logo in the air is nicely embroidered. On the lateral side, it's just fully completed again in that nice smooth suede in the gray tone. We've got navy for the insole with a white Jumpman logo, and as we work our way to the bottom, we've got more accents of the college navy mixed in with the gray, and then that nice kind of transparent icy blue tone with a nice transparent clear air bubble. And as we work our way to the outsole, no, it's stuck on there, we've got icy blue translucent color scheme with gray and the Jumpman logo in that navy. Let's take a nice look at those final details. So now let's jump into sizing. So this also released in grade school sizing. I was deciding on whether or not I was going to pick up the grade school since I did get these in store. I decided to opt out of getting the grade school just because I feel like quality control wise, there were some stitching issues. The material just wasn't as nice as the adult version. So I passed on picking those up, but this is an adult sizing. So I am a true men's 7.5. So if you have harsh, narrow feet like myself, then I highly recommend sticking true to size on this one. If you do have flatter, wider feet, that could actually differentiate a completely different size since we do have different types of feet. So take that into consideration when you're trying to figure out what size works best for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, this is just such a clean colorway. It is just so simplified with being mostly gray and hints of that navy. So I definitely wanted to play with some navy accents. So for the first look, I decided to wear a cropped navy tee with some nice leather pants with silver accents.
You butterfly, don't jump so with just because till you show me you a royal flush, got me folding. Before you, I was sitting on the sidelines. Now every moment with you is my favorite highlight. And when you by my side, I'm always winning. Had me up by touchdown from the beginning.
And then for the second look, I decided to just keep it super casual with my Supreme Capital sweatshirt that I just picked up. And that navy obviously worked perfectly with the navy hues in the sneaker. And then for the bottoms, I wore some Fear of God heather gray sweatpants. Again, just playing off the nice gray hues that you see in here. And then for the last and final look, I dressed up a bit with a nice just gray one shoulder ribbed dress. And again, I think that you can really dress these up. You can really keep these casual, but definitely gray and navy just, I was feeling, were the best color options to really put into the mix with these. Let me know down below your favorite look of this rear. How would you style these?
Only title that I gave you is this wave that I'm on, yeah. Saying that she love me, so I'm playing along. Look in her direction, now she taking it off.
And I can't stop thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Then I eat the cake like dessert. She gon' bust it open real quick for real. I'ma drop it in like Vert.
Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, and you know it's real. No question, if she like attention, I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Tell me what you want, I like that too, babe. Yeah, I like that, I do. Grabbing on your left cheek with my right hand, tight pants, got me feeling the type of way. If you want it, I could give it to you all day.
Name a time and a place, but I pull up.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $200 and they are currently going between $200 to $300 depending on what size you are. All right, everyone. Again, just huge shout out and thank you to all of you for getting me to 50K. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you have joined us for the first time, welcome to the Shade community. We love to have you here. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.
I like that for you. Tell me what you want, I